Hello everyone, this is your MC David Mikel on behalf of By Grace Films for the Army of Worshippers in One Accord. We just want to take this moment to appreciate you, our followers and our supporters, for the purchasing of the tickets, the marketing we have seen, the posters being shared all across social media platforms. We really thank you. You are making it possible for us to have this outdoor experience. And of course, it goes without saying, we just want to appreciate our sponsors, the band, the organizers. You guys are just the best. We thank you for the commitment, the guest artists, the rehearsals. It is such a bliss to work with you guys. However, given the recent developments and after careful consideration and consultation with the relevant stakeholders, we have come to a conclusion to reschedule the Army of Worshippers in One Accord from the 23rd of December 2023 to the 23rd of March 2024. Now, hold on. I know it comes as a shock, but everything stays the same. The ticket sales, they are still open. Go and get yours, and let us prepare ourselves together in one accord as we magnify the name of the Lord. And of course, we just want to apologize sincerely for the inconvenience. Now, the dream is not just for us together, but to create a memorable experience that will last a lifetime in our hearts and in our minds as we gather together to worship and glorify our God. We are looking forward to hosting you and yours, your friends, your family, your colleagues. Let's continue to invite as many people as we can. Remember, it is just 3 months away, and in that period, a lot is going to be taking place, so do not be left behind. Get your ticket, get it now, and we are looking forward to meeting you there. Have a wonderful day.